Dear citizens of India, the sound of the bagpipe is not just music, it's a call to pride, a salute to our heritage, and a heartbeat of celebration. Today, on this glorious day, Suncity comrades are ready to fill the air with melodies that echo courage, unity, and freedom. Please welcome them with a huge round of applause.
Now, let us celebrate the spirit of freedom through a soulful musical tribute, presenting Swaraj, patriotic song that echoes the pride, sacrifice and love we hold for our motherland. Please welcome the proud performers on the stage. India gained independence from British rule on 15 August 1947 after nearly 200 years of colonial oppression. The freedom struggle was led by great leaders and brave revolutionaries who sacrificed their life for the nation. Mahatma Gandhi led the movement with non-violence and civil disobedience, while Subhash Chandra Bose inspired many through armed resistance. Heroes like Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmibai, and many others played a vital role to towards freedom. Their courage, unity, and patriotism paved the way for a free India. We remember the sacrifices with respect and are forever grateful for their contribution.
Today is the day for all of you to realize that it's important for us to value the sacrifice with our freedom fighters made. My message to all of you is to find ways. I think that now, when you think about nationalism, the spirit of nationalism, I keep asking, what can we do for our country? So what can you do? So not everyone is going to be an administrative officer, or not everybody is going to be a police officer or a politician, or perhaps, in the army. So even then, we can all contribute towards a stronger India, a more free India. And it starts with basically realizing what is your duty? What is your duty? How can I make my country proud? How can I make my country great? Wishing you all a very happy 79th Independence Day. Jai Hind.
This dance is a tribute to our journey, from struggle to sovereignty, from sacrifice to celebration. So, let us honor our past and embrace the rhythm of freedom through a powerful performance, presenting for you the idea of independence.
Every right we enjoy today was once someone's fight. The democracy that seems our birthright is a gift wrapped in countless sacrifices. Soldiers who we have read about as mere headlines or news flashes. Today, this is not just a tribute to them, but a gentle reminder that freedom, unless understood, is freedom taken for granted. That independence isn't just what we inherited, it's what we choose to honor.
Parts of the world, voices are still silenced, books are still banned, and ballads are still a dream.
All the teachers, all the students, let's commit ourselves to build a better India.
And take a pledge today that all the sunbeams together will work hard, will study hard, will teach with great labor, and build a new India, build a stronger India. A very happy Wednesday to you all.
If you start respecting and valuing everyone around you, at no point of time in your life you judge anybody because of the language, caste, creed, or anything. We as nation, one India, will always and always stand strong if we are together. God bless you. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Have a great day ahead.
What I feel is the purpose is for this special day. Whatever we keep doing across the year, this is one day when I realize, yes, there is a purpose of every moment that we spend in the school with the students and with the teachers. Now with the artificial intelligence seeping in our textbooks, in our classrooms, what is happening is, people are saying that maybe the emotions, maybe the feelings will be a little lost, will be a little forgotten. In fact, people are also talking about artificial general intelligence, which means that all this system, they will start feeling the AI tools, the system will start feeling like humans. I have a doubt about it. Because the flexibility, the adaptability which the humans have learnt across, in the entire evolution process, I don't think the machines can take over on any of these days. So dear students, value yourselves and remember that there is a purpose of everything that you do in your lives. Thank you so much all of you and a very happy Independence Day.
आज़ादी हमें प्रेम करना सिखाती है और प्रेम हमें आज़ाद रखता है.
When a flag is raised, it is not merely a piece of cloth that ascends into the sky. It is the soul of a nation that rises with it. Good afternoon and Jai Hind to all the members of the board, dignitaries, teachers and students. Today, as the tricolor unfurls above us, it carries the weight of centuries, of battles endured, battles fought, and dreams kept alive through the darkest nights, until the morning of August 15, 1947.
Today we enjoy liberties that our forebearers could only have imagined. Therefore, we find it of utmost importance to be reminded today of the fundamental rights and duties that are enshrined in our Constitution.
The fundamental rights are situated in Part 3 of our Constitution, which are divided into 6 broad categories, with the first being right to equality, mentioned in Articles 14 to 18. The Constitution enshrines right to equality before law, right against discrimination, and prohibition of untouchability, etc.
Moving forward, Articles 19 to 22 are classified into right to freedom, which constitutes the right to freedom of expression, right in respect of conviction for offences, etc.
Articles 23 and 24 are clubbed together as right against exploitation, which provides remedies for the offence of human trafficking and employment of children in dangerous workplaces.
Right to freedom of religion is mentioned in Articles 25 to 28, which talks about the right to practice, profess, and propagate any religion of any choice, and freedom of attending religious institutions.
Moving forward, the cultural and educational rights are enshrined in Articles 29 and 30, which administers protection of interest of minorities. Article 31 of our Constitution had been omitted after the 44th Amendment Act, which had enshrined the right to property as a fundamental right.
Articles 32 to 35 are rights to constitutional remedies, which ensure the proper legislation of all fundamental rights, with the first article being Article 32, also known as the heart and soul of our Constitution.
While fundamental rights protect our freedom, fundamental duties remind us that freedom thrives only when matched with responsibility. They urge us to respect the Constitution, cherish our rich heritage, protect the environment, promote harmony, and strive for excellence in every sphere of life. So today, we all must remember our duties to our nation.
Quoting the Constitution, it shall be the duty of every citizen of India, A, to abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals, the institutions, the national flag, and the national anthem.
B, to cherish and follow the noble ideals which inspired the national struggle for freedom.
To uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity, and integrity of the nation.
C, to defend the country and render national service when called upon to do so.
To promote harmony and the spirit of common brotherhood amongst all the people of India, transcending religious, linguistic, and regional or sectional diversities, and to renounce practices derogatory to the dignity of women.
F, to value and preserve the rich heritage of a composite culture.
To protect and improve the natural environment and to have compassion for living creatures.
H, to develop the scientific temper, humanism, and the spirit of inquiry and reform.
This was all from our side today. We hope you cherish these ideals and consistently abide by them. Thank you and Jai Hind.